Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression, which is 8 minus 5, then times this parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we have 8 minus 5 again. So are you ready to solve? So let's go ahead and get started with 8 minus 5, that is 3. And then 3. This gives us 8 minus 5 times 3, and 8 minus 5 is 3, and 3 times 3 is 9, which is not correct because according to PEMDAS rule, PEMDAS, PMD, P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponents, and M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So first you have to go with parenthesis, then exponents, then multiplication, division, and finally addition and subtraction. So as we know, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to work from left to right, and the same applies to addition and subtraction. So here in the expression 8 minus 5 times 8 minus 5, according to PEMDAS, first we have to handle this parenthesis. Okay. So 8 minus 5 times 8 minus 5 is 3. Now we have to subtraction and then multiplication according to PMD. Thus multiplication has higher priority than subtraction. So we have to go with multiplication first. So 8 minus 5 times 3 is 15. So 8 minus 15 is equals to minus 7. So our final answer to this problem is minus 7. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning. See you in the next video.